Hey, what is up guys, it's me Utsav and welcome back to another video. And this video would be different from our regular videos, and I know I don't post videos regularly, but that's a different thing. So this is a kind of an experimental video. Uh, I don't know you guys will like it or not, but this is something I really wanted to do. So today we'll be looking at some disclosed bug bounty reports and we'll be learning a lot of things from them. So I am doing bug bounty for a year now, and I did score some great bugs, but unfortunately I can't disclose any of them. So we'll be looking at some disclosed report from famous researchers that has been posted on HackerOne. So today let's just look at this latest bug bounty report on race condition, and it's a really interesting report, and I think this will definitely help you guys in finding new and different kind of bugs. So let's begin with the race condition POC. And if you don't know what POC is, POC stands for proof of concept, which help organization to reproduce the bug easily. So let's look at this new bug that I found on HackerOne that someone posted on HackerOne, not me, obviously. So yeah, so let me play this video really quick. So this is a bug found on every.org, and this program is a bit old, I know, but this bug is really new. It's just posted about 2 months ago from the release of this video, and it's on a staging website for especially for pen testing. So let's see what this guy does. So let's go. So yeah, followers are 1 right now. Intercept on. Okay. So basically, what he did is he followed a user and intercepted the request and sent it to Turbo Intruder. Yeah, so if you guys don't know about Turbo Intruder, it's nothing, it's just a simple advanced version of Intruder, and you can send multiple requests, you can run a Python script and do anything you want. So basically, just click on the request you find and send it to Turbo Intruder. And once you are done with that, you will see this window, and here you can do anything, like you can add any Python command, and you can find this command on this GitHub link, which is right here. And this specific Turbo Intruder is used for race condition kind of bugs, and it is really good for you. So if you don't know about Turbo Intruder, it's like you can't find any race condition kind of bug without Turbo Intruder. It's like one of the must-have tool, I guess, on Burp Suite. So let's move ahead. So let's read the command. What he did here is, in his Python code, there is concurrent connection of 30 and request per connection is 100. So basically there are 30 connections at the same time, and each connection is sending 100 requests, like 100 requests per connection. So basically there are way too many requests going at the same time. So okay, let's see what happened next. Here on, okay. Yep. Test percentages. Yeah. So percentage S is for adding a payload. It's like a normal intruder thing. So let's see what happens next. Okay, he started the attack. Okay. Oh great. He got 201. 201 means created. So let's see what happens. Okay, 201 created. Okay, followed. Message followed. Okay, message followed. Let's see. Great. So basically, he followed the same account 6 times, which is really not that big of a bug, but yeah, it is a bug. You can get some money out of it. So it's good to see he found this bug. This is like way too easy bug to find, but yeah, it requires a different way of thinking. So yeah, okay. So now what he did is unfollowed the account, intercept off. Okay. Okay. Okay, great. Okay, great. So basically, he unfollowed the account, and still he is left with 5 new followers, which is a single account. Like a single guy is following this account 6 times, and then he unfollowed once, and still he is following this account when he refreshed the page. So severity of this attack was low, like 0.1, but it's okay. Like this is a kind of bug not everyone can find. It's like it requires a different way of thinking, and I really appreciate this. So I'd be leaving the report URL in description, and this Turbo Intruder URL also, so you can get it from there. So if you like this new concept of me explaining different kind of reports, do drop a like and subscribe would be appreciated. And if you want me to do some different kind of report, like a tougher report, which you can't understand, so drop that link in the description. I'll definitely make a video on that. So till then, bye bye, and see you in the next video.